In this video, I will talk about how to transfer Amazon gift card balance to your bank account. Currently, Amazon does not allow direct transfer of gift card balances to your bank account. However, there are alternative ways to convert your gift card balance into cash, which you can then transfer to your bank account. The alternative methods are: sell your Amazon gift card. You can sell your Amazon gift card on trusted gift card seller platforms such as Raise, Cardpool, Gift Card Granny. Once sold, you will receive cash which you can transfer to your bank account. Another method is to purchase items using your Amazon gift card balance and resell them. Once sold, you can withdraw your earnings to your bank account. Although you can directly transfer an Amazon gift card balance to your bank account, this method provides a workaround. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.